electrically mined that pet chameleon becomes standard in the Mojave Desert of Nevada. After he falls accidentally from the car, he without a shelter and water, he becomes tired and get warm and getting camouflaged. He learns that about an old Westlake town called that from the nine-panded armadillo hermit named Roadkill, who tells him about the spirit of the West and about the people who or need him in the town dirt. So the Rango visits narrowly into the desert across the road where he was found by a frog. After that, the frog warns him about the hawk that flies above him. Hawk tries to catch him. Hawk tries to catch him, where Rango runs from it and become act like an cactus, but it doesn't work. So he gets into the bottle. After which the hawk takes the bottle up and put it in the frog, so the frog wake up. After that, Rango and the frog narrowly ran down, and the hawk catches the frog and leaves Rango. Later, the Rango stays in the later, Rango stays in the night with the water pipe, where the mysterious running cactus was found in fire, and after which Rango was found by Ingona called Beans. Ingona rancher called Beans takes him to the dirt town. Asked about his identity in the saloon. Rango theatrically explains that his name is Rango, which he copied from the bottle of cactus juice, and he tells the people about his adventure where he killed seven Renchief brothers with the one bullet. He tells them how it was made, done, making Deadpool. After which he records him, and everybody rejoices with Rambo and enjoys with him. Despite in the bank scene where it was still bank manager Mr. Moneymaker tells to Beans that water remaining are not sufficient, it just left or little bit not narrow. So Mr. Beans feels that a town moves into drought, and which led to end of this village dirt. So Rango then meets the bandits meet the outlaw Batbull, who challenges him a duel. Accidentally sets him fire. During the duel, the hawk interrupts the duel and chases Rango. Rango, who runs through the village dirt and accidentally kills the hawk and pries from the dirt the elderly desert tortoise Mayer and from the peoples of Dirt's village. He appointed as mayor by the Tortoise mayor and becomes a sheriff in the village. And the village makes him as a sheriff with a squirrel performs himself named Antelope, and Beans meet him and call him the sheriff for the scarcity of water in the while in the town desperate water loss, they goes for a around where they comes return with nothing, and after which Rango organizes a pose, finds the banker John Maverick dead in the middle of the drowning. and he gang of bandits led by a mole Balthasar to steal the water supply, mistaking them for prospectors. Rango organizes a post that later finds the banker John's Maverick dead in the middle of the drowning. After 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 admitting sad for him, Rango and others make a fire camp in the night and pray for the spirit of the west. After the spirit, Rango and Beans each other. Rango promises Beans that he will bring water back to the town. Uh, so Rango Beans fall in love with him, and after which Rango found the stolen water with the rats Balthazar and his fiery toxins, Jeria and Excel are found. Then he performs a then Rango organizes a plan where he performs a theatrical one as a theatrical um, as a bride and a broom that eventually they perform the theatrical and after which they confronts the um, Balthasar and the bat riding clan. The clan rides in the bat for the stolen can. Rango and others take the can away while in the middle they interrupted by the rat can. After they found that can is empty of water, they taken the uh, arrest the Balthasar and his pirates dachshunds to Jedi and Eskel are taken into custody and they came back to the town without water but having the can back and the mm, sentenced them to death and after Rango tells him sentence them to death so the villagers are enjoyed but still the water remains insufficient. After that evening, the town members gather in a raid where they are going to kill the thieves of the bank, which is Rango confronts them to believe in him, still the matter to the spoon named spoon named Squirrel. After which Rango was confronted by Rattlesnake Jake, who fears the hawk, which was killed by Rango. So Rattlesnake Jake comes again to the town from the hill, where he asks Rangos to take one bullet from his gun and to shoot at him, which Rangos fears and doesn't shoot, which tell him that all he told was lies and forcing him to admit the lies and rattlesnake dejected Rango returns to the where he owner was situated in the road which he narrowly crosses the other side of road even though cars are going he narrowly escapes from them. He eventually meets the spirit of the west, a elderly man with no name who advises him to go back to the dirt and set things right, telling him that no man can walk out of his own story. No man can walk out of his own story. Uh, with the aid of roadkill and the mystical moving Yukas, Rango discovering the emergency shut-off valve in a water line through Las Vegas. So he diverged the water lane from Las Vegas to the desert. Mayor had manipulating the water shortage and he could bring himself a new town with the civilized people rather than a town of outlaws and old western style town. So he diverged the water to the his newfound town. So that Jake then Rango brings the water to the village and organizes the rat that previously stolen the water from the bank to deviate the water into the city of town of dirt. where Rango confronts the rattlesnake on one-on-one battle. It was found that rattlesnake was uh, squirted with water and takes him away from the sun. And Rango returns to take Jake's text as a diversion with allies to allow the town's water retention. However, Mayer forces Rango to surrender and by threatening Bean's life before attempting to drown into the bank vault. Both of them have a plan A. When the plan A fails, the B Rango has a bullet in the mouth which goes into Beans, and they take the bullet and breaks the glasses in the bank vault. After with Mayer tries to do Jake with Rango's gun, believing both he and Rango are too much old traditions of outlaws who are gunslingers, no more gunslingers in the town. Only to discover Rango has taken only one bullet. He used to shatter the wall's glass door and freeing himself and Beans. Impressed, Jake praises Rango for proving his heroism and earning Jake's respect before dragging Mayer off into the desert to murder him as a revenge of his betrayal. From this, the conclusion of the story comes, and the town members become more happy and become enjoyed with the water. Where it was announced that adult sim is going to take place. Meanwhile, Rango goes into the mountain top to end the story. Citizens celebrate to return their water and supply, and Rango, now a true hero, who tells them nothing can stop a people until they remember the true hero story, Rango. By that, the films come to stand. It is a more comedic film rather than where the comedic scenes and the dialogues are good. You can go and watch it. It is a better film. Where Johnny Depp voice was enhancingly good. It was available in all languages. You can go and try and watch it. Good cartoon film for kids also. Okay, thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.